call h1, there you will follow welcome home. Run the file, check once h1 is coming in the red color or not. h1 font size is coming big font size or not. You can confirm in the chat once. Are you able to link the CSS file?
So if standard CSS is not in same folder, then how to give the path?
You have to give the path folder name / file name.
Folder name / file name.
Home file you should run. You should not run the CSS file. Home file run. Welcome home is coming or not. Check once. Okay, so welcome home is coming in red color. Next, after that, in the same file, let's add some hyperlink. ul li a href, give file name home.html. Right here, call home. Next, li is about.html, about us. Next, li is contact.html, contact us. Next, li is service.html, our services. Next, li is product.html, our products. Next, li you can keep login.html, login, keep a text here. Okay, so hope you have written. Now, if you check it, it should give the link. This all file we are going to create. So create a file called about. There same thing you will copy paste. About, change heading here about us. File name is about. File name is about. Okay, two files are ready, home and about. Now create one more file, contact. Contact us. So how many files are ready? 3 files. Similar way, service, product, and login. All 3 we need to create. Service.html. Service.html. Our services. Product.html. Our product. Login.html. Every page. HTML will be same. CSS also same. Now run the page. Click on the links. Whichever the page is it going, the H1 color is same or different. Go to any page, content will get changed, but color will remain same. Click on the links and check whichever the page it goes. The H1 content is changing.
No,
Hmm?
no.
H1 content is not changing. H1 content is not changing. H1. See here. This is the service file. If I go to home file, this content is different. When I go to the contact page, this content is different. Content is changing or not? Hmm?
It is changing, but color is.
Because we are calling same CSS file. Every page we have given the H1 content as different. Look at here. In product, what we have? Our product. In service, what we have? Our services. In contact, what we have? Contact us. Change. Go and change in all the pages. Go and change and save the file. Content change. Let me know other people. When you go to the different pages, the content is changing. First, your page are linked or not. Login, product, service, contact, about, home. Whichever the link you click, the pages should get changed, plus content also should get changed. Pages is changing, plus content has to change. Okay, that is the one. Now come to the CSS file, and in CSS file, color change to green color. H1 color change to green color. In a style.css file, H1 color change to green color. H1 color change to green color. Now what you will find is, save the file, go to any page, color will change to. So how many places you modify in CSS? Only one place. And total number of pages are 6 pages. All the 6 places same CSS got applied. All the places same CSS got applied. So that is called one-to-many. Okay, write one place and use throughout the project everywhere. Now come to the style.css file. Write the CSS for UL tag. For UL tag, background dark blue. Background dark blue. After that, padding of the UL 20 px. Text align of the UL center. Text align of the UL will be centered, so it will appear in the middle. It will appear in middle. Next, after this, come down for the LI. UL space LI. Under the UL tag, whichever the LI we have, under the UL tag, whichever the LI we have, that should be display colon in line. It should print in one line. After that, padding of LI should be somewhere from top 20 px, from left right 40 px, from bottom also 20 px. This is for LI tag. Now under the UL, you have the LI and LI have the A tag. LI have the A tag. So for A tag, the color should be white color and text hyphen decoration should be none. It should not be underlined. But text whichever we have, it should be little bold. Okay. Save now and check once. In all the pages, you will find the navigation become as a menu dark blue with the text of white color. Fine. Right, slowly click on home file. Should look like this. About, contact, service, product, login. All the pages should work proper. Where home will, the H1 will look same in all the pages. We can write some CSS for body tag. For body tag, margin, the gap is coming from surrounding, should be 0 px, no anything gap. Okay, no any gap in the body tag. Add this, and then under the UL also, you will keep margin as 0 px only. Margin as 0 px. Okay, hope ready. Check now. The navigation should cover the full width now.
Yeah.
No gap from any side. Links as usual. Whichever the page you go, the link remain same. Next, after this, we will write a class or ID. First, write like this. Under the UL li colon hover. UL li, once you move the mouse, the background should convert into green color. The background should convert into green color. If once hope ready. Next, after this, check now. Once the mouse will touch the li, the background will convert into a red color. We'll change some other color, maybe green color to red color. Green is given. So this called as a hover effect. Wherever the mouse will go, it will look like this. Now suppose you are on the home page. Home page should be, home menu should be by default red color. If you go to the about by default should come as a red color. So it will not happen automatically. We have to write a ID for that. You can write has active menu. Active menu. In active menu, keep background as a red color by default and set some higher priority using important. Important exclamation, important is the property. Using that, we can set higher priority. We can set higher priority to any CSS property. We can set higher priority. So background colon red you have given. Background colon red you have given. So what will happen is it will convert into red color wherever we call the active menu. Write it, then we'll see how to use and where to use. Okay, now let's go ahead to your home file. In home file, first for home menu, for home li, you will write id equal to active. Id equal to active menu. So once you go to the home file, by default home menu should be red color. Once you go to the home file, by default, home menu will be red color. Red color or some other color? Home. When we go here, by default will be red color. Same way you have to do for about also. So put for li id equal to active menu. Go to the home file, check once. By default, home link is coming in red color completely. Li should come in red color background. Okay, so next after this, same ID you will copy from here, and in about file you have to apply for the about li. In about page you will apply for the about li, same ID. In one page at a time, only one. In one page, any one menu will be active. In contact page, you will apply same thing for contact li. Contact li. In service page, you will apply for the service li. Right? In product page, you will apply for the product li. And in login page, you will apply for the login li. And check once, go to the all the pages, whichever the page you click, that particular menu will be active. It will highlight. It will say you are at this particular menu. Right? So whichever the menu we click, that particular menu is coming in the red color, active menu. Next, after this, we have to make this menu as a fixed navigation. It should not be scrolling up down if content is more. Okay, we will make this navigation as a fixed navigation. Or other feature we have, multiple pages we have, so we can add different things and we can see. So come to the home file. In home file, you will add a section and give the ID for section as a about us. Give the ID for section as a about, maybe something like this. Or maybe some other ID. What we can give is, we can give ID here called info. Okay, welcome home is written is fine. Come down below, inside the paragraph, put some text. Okay, inside a paragraph, put some text. In which file? Home file. info. Okay, so hope info is written. Now we'll add the CSS for the info. We'll add the CSS for info. So come to the CSS file and info is the ID. So we have to create hash info and in that we can add some CSS. So we can go to the CSS file, style.css, write the CSS for info. Hash info. In this, what should happen is the background should be orange color. Okay, and the width should be not very huge, only 80% or 75% to give the width. And then after that, give the background width, give padding, how much? 2%. Then give margin, auto, margin auto, background, width, padding, margin, and add a property called border hyphen radius also, border radius 20 px, and text align center. Text align center so that everything will be in the middle. Starting will happen from the middle. Padding is given, margin auto is given so that it will come in the middle. Radius is given, border radius, then text align is given. Okay, hope ready. Save it. See the home file. Something like this. This is touching completely up. It should be little down from the top. Okay. So what we can do for that? We can go here. H1 you have written. First reduce the font size of H1. 40 you can give somewhere. Next after that, the margin auto you have written. There you have to write margin from top. First top has a 20 px, then left right auto, bottom also 20 px. Because in UL you have not written the margin 0 px. In UL tag, have you written margin 0 px? Because of that, I have written margin how much? 0 px. Okay, info background orange color, width, padding, margin, border radius, as well as text align. So now when I run the file, you can see some space from the top. Working for how many people? Let me know in the chat. Four people. Working. Okay. Next, what should happen? The body tag we have here, body tag. Write in that body tag minimum height of body tag, somewhere 2000 px, 2000 px. Minimum height of body tag, how much? 2000 px. Minimum height of body tag 2000 px. Now your page will be scrollable. You can scroll up down. Minimum height of body is 2000 px. Your page will be scrollable now. You can scroll up down. Save now. Height got increased. When you scroll down, all will go up like this. Okay, what we want is when you scroll down, it should go up, it should go up, it should go up. As soon as the orange block will touch the upper section, it should become fixed. After that, it should not go anywhere. It should become fixed here. That is called sticky. So when you scroll up down, it will happen. As soon as your orange block will touch the upper menu, it will become a fixed. So we can go here in CSS file again. Okay, and in CSS file, we can write here under the info block top 0px, then position sticky. Okay, it says like when from top there is a 0px gap, then what should happen? Position should become as a sticky. Sticky is also type of a fixed position only, but when it will apply from top if there is a 0 pixel gap. cheap ones. Save the file, run the home file, scroll down, scroll up, you will see as soon as navigation will touch the upper heading, it will get stopped. It will become a fix. It will not go anywhere. Okay, how that work? Let me show you. It is here. Then it go up, it go up, it go up. As soon as it will touch the upper portion, it will become fixed. It will not go anywhere. All position sticky. Hope working same. Hello. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Yes, yes. 2 बजे. आज एक है, आज शुरू हो रहा है 2 बजे से. लिंक तो वही लिंक है. लास्ट टाइम आप डेमो ज्वाइन किया था, वही लिंक है. मैं फिर से भेज देता हूँ आपको. 1 सेकंड रुकिए, नंबर बताइए. मैसेज लिखता हूँ. बोलो फिर से. 82. ठीक है. अभी आपको टेक्स्ट मैसेज आएगा. 2 बजे ज्वाइन कीजिए. देखिए मैसेज आया क्या? Okay, hope written. Now after this, see here, it's happen in this way. When we scroll down, you can see as soon as it will touch, it will become a fixed navigation. Something like this. Become a fix. That is called position sticky. Come next after this. Write the next division. Not division, footer you can write. Footer. Footer. Okay. In a footer you write background of footer black color. Black color. And padding of footer somewhere 20 pixel. Height of the footer somewhere 70 px, 80 px. You can add text align. The content should print in the center. After that, color of the text, white color. Okay, ready. Next, after that, for footer, where to add it? The footer even we want when page is here, footer should be in the last always. It should fixed. It should not go up, down. It should be completely fixed footer. So what we will do? Background black we are written is okay. Padding 20 pixel, height is okay. Align center, text is also fine. Now then we'll see bottom. Bottom 0px. Okay. Position fixed. Position as a fixed. And after that, bottom 0px, position is a fixed. And after that, width should be again width should be 100%. So this footer will be always at the end of the page in the last section. Okay, copy written. Come in the home file. CSS code hope you have added. Let me share in the chat. Next, after that, in home file, you will add a footer tag. That footer tag will be something like this. Write some name. Digital media. And you will add inside. Let it be this much only. Save it, run the file. Home file. Footer should be in the last. Footer should be in the last. Footer is in the last. Is here in the last. You can scroll up down. Footer will be always in the last. Now what we can do, the footer thickness is more, height is more, we can reduce that. Height we are given how much? 80. Let me keep 50. Okay. Little less height is okay. Something like this. Remaining pages, footer is not added. We have to add the footer everywhere. Looking similar? Let me know yes, no. Footer is fixed in the last or not. Okay, now from the home file, footer you can copy and paste the footer in all the pages after H1. Save the file. Footer we need to add in all the pages after H1. Footer we need to add in all the pages after H1. Footer we need to add in all the pages after H1. If you go to any page, okay. So in that case now, go to any page, you will find the footer will be in the last everywhere. Header will be in the top. Page will be able to scroll. Footer remain same always. Okay. So we will complete remaining page. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 2 more days it will take on this. You will get many idea. So that assignment part, till where you reached? LMS assignment. That assignment yesterday I given. Yes.
Yeah, I tried.
Infocampus LMS. Infocampus LMS. You need to log in. Go here. Go to the assignment. Click on CSS. Set number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete as soon as possible. Before class tomorrow. Because 8:30 will leave. I have some other work. I will run away from here to somewhere else. Okay. So after class, I cannot wait here.